Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some facts about ants. Ants are strong. As a matter of fact, they can carry 50 times their own body weight. The soldier ant is quite literally a soldier for the queen. They use their heads to block entrances, stopping intruders from entering the nest. There are 12,000 species of ants on our planet. They are enslavers. They often kidnap ants from other colonies and force them to do their work. It is believed that ants have existed on this planet for 130 million years. They are the world's first farmers. They have had agriculture longer than human beings. Once a queen has mated, her wings fall off. All of the worker ants in an ant colonies are females. These females are all sterile. Male ants have wings and often fly in swarms in order to find mates. The world's biggest ant is the bullet ant, which is found in the Panama jungle. These ants can grow up to 1.6 inches. The sole purpose of a male ant in life is to mate. Once it has spread its seed, it will die. The average black garden ant has a lifespan longer than the average dog, which is 15 years. Some ants' nests can go as deep as 2 feet underground. Ants can kill. The Australian bulldog ant is officially the world's most dangerous ant and has caused 3 deaths since the 1930s. Fire ant colonies in the Amazon rainforest link their legs together to create a raft. This allows them to float down rivers and travel through forests. There are 3 types of ant in a colony: the queen, the major worker, and the lesser worker. The queen is the largest and the lesser worker the smallest. 20% of ants in a colony do absolutely nothing. Queen ants can live 3 decades. That's longer than any other insects. The bullet ant has the most painful sting any insect. The effect of its venom-filled sting can last up to 24 hours. Ants are super patriotic. When the queen dies, the rest of the colony will die within a few months. Ants belong to the insect group Hymenoptera, which also includes wasps and bees. The role of the queen is to lay tens of thousands of eggs, ensuring that the colony remains strong and mighty. Ants hear through vibrations. As a matter of fact, they don't even have ears. Ants have no lungs. They simply have tiny holes from which oxygen enters and carbon dioxide leaves. Female worker ants can travel as far as 200 meters from their nest. That's a long way when you're that small. The sting of a bullet ant is powerful enough to paralyze a tarantula. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for their own food and one to feed others. Ants are officially the world's smartest insects and has a whopping 250,000 brain cells. Leaf-cutter ants are farmers. They grow mushrooms through secreting antibiotics, which enhances mold growth. The queen ant certainly doesn't have blue blood. As a matter of fact, ant blood is completely colorless. The world's largest ant colony spans 600 miles and can be found in Southern California. Ants are able to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. Ant eggs are a delicacy in Mexico. The dish escaroles is actually very expensive. Each year, ants move approximately 50 tons of soil per square mile. As ants don't have lungs, they can survive a whole day underwater. If an egg of the ant is fertilized, a female ant develops. If the egg is left unfertilized, a male ant hatches. The bite of a bulldog ant can kill a human in 15 minutes. Ants can smell with their antenna. The carpenter ant can self-destruct to save others. It contracts its body to rupture their gland and spray toxic liquid at its enemies. When the ant dies, it releases a chemical that communicates to the other ants to move it to a burial ground. Ant zombies actually exist. This is caused by a type of fungus that infects the ants and takes control of them. Luckily, ants can sense this and often kill the infected colony member. That's all for today about ants. I hope you learned something about my video. Thank you for watching.